Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make Windows 10 play a sound when you're logging off or signing out of your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Task Scheduler. Best match should come back with Task Scheduler here. Go ahead and left click on that one time to open it up. Now on the right side you want to left click on Create Task. Now you can name this task whatever you want. Let's just name it something that we'll easily be able to recognize, so we can just call it Sound at Sign Off, and then you can add a description if you choose to do so. But now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and select the area where it says run whether user is logged on or not, so make sure you select that. And then you want to also check mark where it says run with highest privileges. Where it says configure for, you want to click inside this drop down here and select Windows 10. And now you want to left click on the triggers tab, left click on new. Might take a moment to load the next screen here, so just be patient. Where it says begin the task, click the drop down here, select on an event. The log, you want to set this to security, so click inside the drop down, scroll down here, or you can just start typing in security, which is what I'm going to do. So just typed in the S and it came right up, so I'm going to select security here. Again, just give it a moment here. And now for event ID, you want to type in 4647, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, 4647. It appears the log got messed up, unfortunately, so I have to go back and type in security. So it seemed like it didn't take us long to load that time, but again, log should say security up here. Event ID should say 4647. Numbers, don't spell it out. And begin the task should say on an event. Once you're done with that, go ahead and left click on OK. Now you want to left click on the Actions tab up at the top, left click on New. Now the action should be default here, start a program. That's fine. You want to make sure that's correct. Underneath program/script, you want to type in PowerShell, exactly as it appears on my screen. So capital P in PowerShell and S in shell, all one word. And then I'm going to also have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it. So it's going to be a little bit long here, but you want to just copy the whole thing. And you want to go paste it into where it says add arguments optional. This is very important. You're going to right click inside this field, left click on paste. Again, this will be in the description of my video. I want you guys to just copy it directly out of my description and just paste it in. I would highly suggest you don't actually try and type it out, because there's definitely a good chance you're going to mess it up some way. So again, just exactly as it appears on my screen. Left click on OK. Now you want to go left click on the Conditions tab. Where it says Power, or underneath the Power section where it says Start the task only if the computer is on AC power, you want to uncheck this box and then left click on OK. You will have to enter the password for your user account. I'm an administrator and I don't have a password on this account, so I'm just going to leave it blank and click on OK. If you did have a password, you would need to save it there, so pretty straightforward. Once you're done with that, go ahead and left click on OK. So once you're done with that, go click on OK, close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.